Tenant states, my freezer door pops open when I close the fridge. This one's pretty easy. On the front side of the fridge, you're going to have two screws on either side, and these are actually wheel jacks. You put an impact driver on these and turn them righty-tighty, and it'll lift up the front of the fridge, just like you can see here. And that'll create enough of an angle for the doors to want to shut themselves after you open them. Just like that, no more soggy ice cream.